with LangChain. So here we have developed three chatbots. One is a simple chatbot using OpenAI, and then a summarization agent with LangChain, and then a medicine prescribing agent with LangChain. So to develop this, I first installed the LangChain OpenAI API library, and then I've started creating a chatbot using OpenAI. So here we have used OpenAI API key, and then if you can see, next we defined chat prompt template. So this template dictates that our chatbot always starts with friendly conversation, like you see here. Sure, here is a sample exercise scheduled for a complete beginner for a week, and then it proceed with answering our prompt. So for example, if I prompt this chatbot with give me an exercise schedule for a complete beginner for a week, and then it generated like the whole exercise schedule for a week: day one, day two, day three, and then day seven. So here is our first chatbot using OpenAI, and then with a LangChain OpenAI library, and then we've proceeded with summarization agent with LangChain API. So first we've installed our LangChain library, and then we've defined the API key, and then we proceeded with the same like as we did for our simple chatbot chat prompt template. So here our summarization agent is configured with a specific prompt that guides it to act as a dedicated summarization tool. So to demonstrate, let's consider a detail text about summary about the history of NLP began in 1980s. So here we have input we have given input like a whole bunch of like a couple of paragraphs to summarize it, and then our summarization agent model will summarize the whole text that we have given as an input. Here you can see the summarization of the bunch of paragraphs, and then I developed a medicine prescribing agent with LangChain. So again, first we need to install the necessary libraries like LangChain. So again, we have used API key here, and then chat OpenAI API, chat OpenAI API, which uses API key to create medical language model agent, which is capable of providing prescription advice to the user. So again, we've used a chat prompt template, which sets the context as medicine prescribing agent. So for now, the model receives symptoms described in natural language, processes them, and suggests appropriate medical advice. So for now, the patient is experiencing severe seasonal allergies with symptoms including sneezing, nasal congestion, and itchy eyes. So we've given a prompt that user experiences experiencing these symptoms. Let's see how it's gonna describe. So it described like this: based on the symptoms described, I recommend the patient try an over the counter antihistamine such as loratadine. It's suggesting some medicines for particular symptoms. Again, it's not for medical use, so this is just for assignment purposes. And then we've also developed some agents using just by Python. So here we have created math quiz agent. So first we have imported necessary functions to use here, and then we have defined some class here, like how many questions that we need to ask a particular user. So here math quiz agent, this class is designed to create and manage a simple math quiz. It's like a game. So the game consists of like a random math questions here, so involving just basic operations like addition, subtraction, and then multiplication. So the math quiz agent class is initialized with a parameter called num questions. You can see num questions, number of questions to ask. So we have given 5 as a default, so which we can increase as per our needs. So upon initializing an instance, the start quiz, this class method kicks off the game. So it welcomes the player and enters a loop to present specified number of questions. So each question is generated by generate question. So here is a quick walkthrough. Let's run this.